Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Our today's amazing assignment is based on our Sadhana workbook. For this you can refer page number 2. Let's solve our today's problems. What are the given questions? Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. If you observe, there are 4 numbers and each number is having 3 digits. Each number is having 3 digits. So you have to identify which one is greater and then next greater and then the next greater. Means you are arranging the numbers in descending order. What do you mean by descending order, children? Descending order means arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. From greatest to smallest. Okay. Let's find out which number is greater. If you observe the hundredths digit in all the numbers, hundredths digit in 333 is 3. Here it is 9, 999. The hundredths digit is 9 and here the hundredths digit is 5 and here the hundredths digit is 2. If you compare the digits in the hundreds places, which one is the greater, children? Which one is greater? 9 is greater among all. So, the number which starts with 9 is the greatest number. So, what is the number greatest number here? We have to write 999. Okay. Now, next greatest number we need to find out. Which one is the next greatest number? You have to find out which one is greatest among 3, 5 and 2. Which one is greatest? 5. So, the number that starts with 5 is the next greatest number. What is the number? 555. This is the next greatest number. And now, we are left with 2 numbers. Among those 2, which one is the greatest? To find out which one is the greatest, you need to identify first the hundredths digit. The hundredths digit here it is 3 and here it is 2. Obviously 3 is greater than 2. So the number that starts with the digit 3 is the greatest number. So what do we need to write here? 333. 333. So what is the number left at the end? That is 222. Am I right, children? So, you have arranged the given numbers from greatest to smallest. What is the greatest number among all? 999, 555, 333, 222. So, you have arranged the given numbers in descending order. Let's arrange the next set of numbers. What are the next set of numbers? 770, 410, 880, 994. We need to look for the digit in the hundreds place. What are the digits in the hundreds place? In all the numbers, in the first number you are having 7, in the second number you are having 4, in the third number you are having 8, in the fourth number you are having 9. So, which is the greatest digit among all? It is 9. So, the number that starts with the digit 9 is the greatest number. What is the greatest number here? 994. We need to look for the next greatest number, right? So, next greatest number among the remained 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 770, 410, 880. The digit 8 is greater than 7 and 4. So, the number that starts with the digit 8 is the next greatest number. So, I am writing 880. So, we are left with 2 numbers. What are they? 770 and 410. Among these 2, the first one, that is the digit 7 is the greatest digit than 4, right? So, the number that starts with the digit 7 is the greatest number. We need to write 770. 770. We need to write 770. What is the last number we need to write? What is the number left over? That is 410, which is the smallest among all. Now recheck whether you have written the numbers in descending order or not. 994 is the greatest one. Yes. 880 is the greatest one. 770, 410. Yes, you have arranged all the numbers in descending order. This is how you have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Right, children? Let's move to the next question. What is the next one? State true or false. State true or false. There are two statements. You need to check these statements and you have to decide whether the given statement is true statement or false statement. First statement is 212, 321, 189 are in descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Arranging the numbers from greatest to smallest. If you observe the digits in the hundreds places, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 1. Right? 3 is the greatest among all the 3, but it was not arranged in the first place. The number that starts with the digit 3 was not arranged in the first place. Okay? So, this statement, that means 212, 321, 189 were arranged in descending order is the wrong statement. So, this statement is false. What do you need to write? False. Given statement is false statement. Next one. 568, 412, 129 are in descending order. If you observe the digits in the hundreds place, 5 is greater than 4 and 4 is greater than 1. So, all the digits in the hundreds place were arranged in descending order. So, the number that starts with 5 is the greatest number, which is in the first place. The number that starts with the 4 is the next greatest number, that is in the second place. The number that starts with the digit 1 is in the next greatest place. That means the numbers were exactly arranged in descending order, because 568 is greater than 412 and 412 is greater than 129. Right? So, the given statement is true statement. What will you write here? The statement is true. The statement is true. Let's solve the next question. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Here again you are having some numbers. You need to arrange them in descending order. Descending order means you are going to arrange the given numbers from greatest to smallest. Here you are having all the numbers with 3 digits. So, what is the highest place? Hundreds place. Look for the digit in the hundreds place. If you observe all the digits in the hundreds place are same. What will you do in such case? In such case, you need to go for the next place value. What is the next place value? That is tens place. Now you have to compare the digits in the tens place. The digit in the tens place here is 2 and here it is 6 and here it is 9 and here it is 1. Which is the greatest among all? If you observe the digit here 2 is less than 6 and 6 is less than 9 and 1 is also less than 9. So, 9 is the greatest digit among all the given numbers. You have to write 498 in the first place. 498 in the first place. Okay. So, what is the next greatest number? Next greatest number will be 2, 6, 1 are there. What are the digits in tens places? 2, 6 and 1 in the remaining numbers. Among 2, 6 and 1, 6 is the greatest number. So the number have with 6, that means 462 is the next greatest number. So you have to write 462. What is the next greatest then? We are left with two numbers, 429 and 412. 2 is greater than 1. So the number that starts with 42, that is 429 is the next greatest number. So you have to write 429. After that you will get 412. Right children, this is how you have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Let's solve the next one. 213, 910, 387, 598. While arranging the numbers in descending order, you have to look for the digits in the hundreds places, because the given numbers are 3-digit numbers and the highest place of the given number is hundreds place. What are the digits in the hundreds place? Here it is 2, 9, 3, 5. If you observe the digits in the hundreds place, they are different. Here in this case they are same. So you have to compare the digits in the hundreds place digits. Right? 2, 9, 3, 5. Which one is the greatest among all? 9 is the greatest. So the number that starts with 9 is the greatest number. You have to write 910. After that, what is the next greatest number? 2, 3, 5. Which one is greatest among the 3? 5 is the greatest. You have to write the number that starts with 5. What is that number? 598. Next greatest number is 387, 213. We are left with two numbers, 387 and 213. What is the next greatest then? 3 is greater than 2. So the number that starts with the digit 3 is the next greatest number. You have to write 387. Okay children? Right. So what is the last number? 213. 213. Again recheck whether you have arranged the given numbers in descending order or not. 910, which is greater than 598. 598 is greater than 387 and 387 is greater than 213. So the numbers were clearly arranged from greatest to smallest. Okay children, this is how you have to arrange the given numbers in descending order. You have to look for the digit in the hundreds place. If the digit in the hundreds place is same, you have to look for the digit in the next place, that is tens place. If again you will get the same digit in the tens place also, you have to compare the digits in the ones place. This like you have to compare the numbers and you can arrange the given numbers in descending order. Okay children, do practice at home. Thank you.